Hey guys, what's up? It's Apple Critics from applecritics.com. In this video, I'm going to be showing a piece of Apple history. Yes, history. So this is the actual iPhone 10, which was the dawn of a new era for Apple. So the iPhone 10 was something different for Apple. It was Apple's first iPhone that didn't have a home button, that had the Face ID, and had a unique design and just was a signal for change. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the iPhone 10 and how much of a revolutionary device it is, and if you should be using it in 2020. So the iPhone 10 was released in November of 2017. So it will be 3 years old in September. But with this older iPhone, you do get a lot of value, and it actually still is relevant to the design of the iPhones today. If you take a look at what the iPhone XS is and the iPhone 11 Pro Max, just in general, it's based off of the same notch of the iPhone 10. So that is what we'll be talking about in this video. So you'll get a lot of value because what it has to offer, and basically you can just get a good deal since every iPhone depreciates after a new one is released. So it just has great performance, has a really nice low price, and it's just still relevant compared to the XS and the 11 Pro, and even the Galaxy S20. It has many similarities. It's a premium device, and remember, once upon a time, this phone was the first $1,000 phone, so it ushered in that era of expensive premium iPhone and just premium technology in general. So you'll be able to get a lot of great accessories and even some battery cases for super cheap. And the price roughly on this will be around $400, which isn't too bad compared to the value you get in this device. Once again, you get Face ID, you get the notch, you get the no home button, you get just a really great design, you get some solid cameras as well. And it's cheaper than the XR, and it's just definitely a much better deal. It runs the latest iOS 13.5 today, and it also will be getting iOS 14 as well. It has a really good chipset, so it's just only a lot of great things to say about this iPhone 10, so I don't have a lot of negativity to say about this device. The check range JB will work, so you'll get a lot of tweaks and make it look as good as the iPhone 11 Pro with all the tweaks that you can get for the software, so that's really good as well. Now, in terms of the specs of this iPhone 10, so you have a 5.8-inch display. It's a OLED display. It's a very solid display. It came pre-shipped with iOS 12, and it has 3 gigabytes of RAM as well. And remember that the iPhone 10 only comes in 2 models, 64 gigabytes and 256 gigabytes. So it was really interesting in that way. So if your current iPhone is slow and you want to upgrade, the iPhone 10 will do the job, especially if you don't want to have the latest and greatest phone and you don't want to spend a lot of money on a phone. The iPhone 10 is the most bang for your buck. It's very comfortable in the hand as well. The performance is just good. It has some great improvements in the camera, battery life. It's also IP certified, so it is water resistant, has an OLED display. It's just a timeless iPhone, and it's just getting better with time. So it's just aged to perfection, I would say. So it's just a very value buy. If you're looking for a value in an iPhone, get this iPhone 10. I highly recommend it, and that's what I have to say about the iPhone 10. So this is what the iPhone 10 has to offer. So thank you for watching this video on the iPhone 10 in 2020. I highly recommend you go ahead and pick one up if you're looking to upgrade and get a good deal. So comment down below if you have an iPhone 10 and if you are still using it, or if you are going to upgrade to an iPhone 10 after this video. Please be sure to smash that subscribe button. Please be sure to like this video and just go ahead and smash the like button. And be sure to check out my Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. My username there is AppleCritics. And subscribe for more great content. And thanks for watching.